All right, hello CJ. So for this video lesson, we're going to recap the Malcolm Todd part 3 beat that we did last time, the full beat. But before that, let's get some new stuff going. So remember, if you don't have the kit, you can put this part of your wrist on a flat surface and go up and down, just small movements. That'll simulate the small movements that you use with the drumstick. And that's what the fastest drummer in the world does. Just this motion right here all the time. Both hands. So this first one right here. So right here, we're going to do the right kick with the right hand, left kick with the left hand. And we're going to pair those together. And then without the drum set, we can go like this. So right hand, right foot, left hand, left foot. And if you do that for a little bit, you'll feel the burn. Go a little bit faster, do like the ankle motion, just like this. That was in the last video lesson. And go fast with the hand. Left hand, left foot. Do them at the same time and alternate them one at a time. And just keep that going for a little bit. Keep practicing that, and that'll help you a lot with your speed and coordination. The next thing you can do right here, the basic beat, the 1, 2, 3, 4, kick on 1, snare on 3, hi-hat constantly going. So I'll go closed, even though it shows open there, but just so you can hear me while I'm doing the 1, 2, 3, 4, I'll keep it closed just for now. So constant hi-hat, 1, 2, 3, 4, but you might be able to hear me with it open, so let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe, maybe not. I'll just keep it closed just for now. And closed hi-hat would look like this. So so that circle right there at the X, that's open. Closed, it's just the X. So I'll just keep that open, and in class we'll just do that open. But for right now, closed. So kick on 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Snare on 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Without the kit, you can just go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So maybe speed that up. Just keep going with that one. This one right here, it's another variant of the basic beat. This one will use a kick in between 1 and 2. So it'll be 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. And with this one, if you want to keep getting faster with this one, the kick, that second kick, that'll be the limiting factor with the speed, because you'll need a fast double. And you can practice that first with the hand, the double. So how I do that, so my hand goes down for the first hit. On the second hit, it comes up. And that's the second hit, and it gets you back into position for the first hit. Kind of the same thing with the foot. So you go down, kind of keep it there, and then kick back up. Boom. You can also do that with the hi-hat to go faster. Down and then up for the second one. Down, up. Do that with both. And then on the ground, you can kind of tap, tap. tap, tap, and then on the second tap, you tap upwards. So tap, 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 tap. Do like a little spring, but not as exaggerated as I'm doing it on the ground, because you want to keep your foot on the pedal. Down. And you can kind of do that with the wrist down on a flat surface, down, down. And the second one goes up, down, up. Just a quick double like that. And you can keep that going. The next one, the kick will be after 2. So in between 2 and 3, 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. So like the first one we just did was the kick in between 1 and 2. This one's in between 2 and 3. 1, 2. So it's right before that snare. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. So that one also you can 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Let's get that one down. And all of these will be used in future Malcolm Todd ones. So this is just getting a little bit of practice before we use them in the songs. This one, we've done this one in lesson 2, that song, Mr. Incorrect, where it's the kick on 4 and then it sounds like a double. But in that case, it sounds like a triple because there's 2 kicks at the end and then 1 at the beginning. So with this one, it's just a kick on 1 and 4, snare on 3, constant hi-hat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4. And then you keep that going. And then this last one is just kick on all 4 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Every time you do the right hand, you pair that with the kick. Okay. Next thing we'll do, alternating kicks. We didn't get to this one on lesson 2 or 1? 2. Yeah, this is one we kind of skimmed over to try to get to the song. So this one, closed hi-hat, hi-hat, kick, snare, kick, hi-hat, kick. So with that one, you can, without the snare, you can just keep that hi-hat and kick going, and all it is just 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And all you do now is just on the third hi-hat, add that snare. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can add some doubles in there. And add some pauses with the kicks. And with that one, what I was doing there, I was doing 1 hi-hat, 2 kicks, 1 hi-hat, 2 kicks, snare with the hi-hat, no kick, hi-hat, no kick. And then you repeat. So only doubles on after the first and second hi-hat, and then no kicks after the third and fourth hi-hat. So that's what I was doing there. So one more time with that one. 1 double, 2 double, snare, hi-hat. And that one sounds pretty cool, and that's the same double, down and then up for that second hit. And then as you get faster, the movement becomes smaller and smaller. So there's that one, and then right here, we can get an around the world with 2, snare, high, middle, low tom. And then back around. Add some double kicks in between those 2. and with a bell maybe. You can also, so there's the 2 variant, and then we can also do 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can add like 1 kick in between those. Or 2 kicks. So there's the Round the World there. And then last but not least, the crazy beat from Gnarls Barkley that your dad wanted you to learn before the little break you had. So the basic beat of that one is kick, hi-hat, snare, hi-hat. And that carries on pretty much through the entire song. So if you can get this one a few times in a row, then it'll be pretty easy when we go over it next time. So it's just kick, hi-hat, snare, hi-hat. And there's going to be some double kicks in there, and I'll show you the pattern of when those come in also. So that's pretty much the pattern. Kick, hi-hat, snare, hi-hat. Kick, hi-hat, snare, hi-hat. All right. And then just we'll recap the part 3, the Malcolm Todd song right here, Mr. Incorrect. And then in class, we'll also just play through that whole song with all the pauses and stuff and the slowed down part at the end. So if you remember, it's just the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. With part 3, we added the kick on 3 of the first snare, and then also kick with the snare on the second snare right there. And that's pretty much the only thing we added to that one, and that's the full song right there. So 1, 2, 3. Kick, 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 kick. Snare, kick, kick. Kick with the snare. Okay, and then all together, so just remember the snare 1, 2, 3 is the kick, kick, and then kick with the snare, second snare. So all together, the and that just keeps going on for the majority of the song. At, where is it? When he's talking about that he's on, I'm on, I thought I was right, but you're never wrong. At 153, that's when the first like long rest happens. Oh no, that's the second rest right there. The first one is right before the chorus right here when he's talking about he made a new song. There's a little pause. We go into that chorus. And then when I thought I was right, but you're never wrong. At 153, that's whenever the long rest is there. And then it's the slowed down version. And that carries on 1, 2, 3, 4 times to the end. So that's pretty much the video lesson right there. Just if you don't have the set, you can just practice with your wrist down, and that's what the fastest drummer in the world does all the time. So you can get pretty good with just doing that, or just alternating for as long as you can. You can also pair like 1, 2, 3, 4, kick on 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just keep that going, and you'll feel the burn all in your arms. So have fun practicing those, and hopefully see you next week.